So, students, talking about the classification of soils, it is the very most important topic. On the basis of the factors responsible for soil formation, color, thickness, texture, age, chemical, and physical properties, the soils of India can be classified into different types. So, the first type of soil is the alluvial soil. This soil is mostly widespread. This is mostly available. It is available in entire North Plains are made of this alluvial soil. It is also found in eastern coastal plains, particularly in the deltas of the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri rivers. It is very fertile soil and it's therefore fit for the agricultural purposes. It is also the regions of alluvial soils are intensively cultivated and densely populated because it's most widely spread soil and it's very much useful also. It is rich in potash, phosphoric acid, and lime, which are ideal for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat, and other cereals and pulse crops. So it is the widely used soil or widely available soil. It's very much important or the best kind of soil which we are having. Other type of soil is the black soil. It black in color and are also known as regur soil. This soil is ideal for growing cotton, so it is also called black cotton soil. It is found in the plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, also along the Godavari and the Krishna valleys. It is made up of extremely fine, that is clay material. It is well known for the capacity of it's to hold moisture. It is rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. It is also one of the good soil which we are having. So, students, other type of soil is red and yellow soil. I'll talk about when it turns yellow. Red soil, it is found in the areas of low rainfall in the eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau. It develops on the crystalleous igneous rocks. It is also found in the parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of the Middle Ganga plain, and along the Piedmont zone of the Western Ghats. It turns yellow when it occurs in hydrated form. When there is presence of water, this soil turns from reddish to yellow. So the next type of soil is laterite soil. This type of soil is developed in the areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. It is found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and the hilly areas of Odisha and Assam. It is suitable for the cultivation with adequate doses of manure and fertilizers because student this soil, the area in which this soil is available, it is already said that they are having heavy rainfall. So due to the heavy rainfall, their nutrients go down. This soil is not having as much nutrients that we need. So for making this land suitable for cultivation, we need adequate manure and fertilizers that should be used so that this land can be made cultivable. This is the low humus content because decomposers like bacteria get destroyed due to high temperatures. As I've already told, the high temperature and heavy rainfall make a bad impact on this kind of soil. Next type of soil is arid soils. It is found in the western parts of Rajasthan. After proper irrigation, these soils become cultivated. As you are aware about the situation of Rajasthan, so you better know about it. Lack of humus and moisture because of dry climate, windy area, sandy area, high temperature make evaporation faster. Salt content is very much high and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. So this land is not very much fit for cultivation. Next type of soil is the forest soil, which is mainly found in the rainforest. It is found in the hilly and mountainous areas where sufficient rainforests are available, as I have already told. It features different based on location. Means on the mountains, they have different features on the location. In the valley side, they are having loamy and silty, means very fine particles. In the upper side, upper slopes, they are having the coarse, means very big grains. They are, we can say that silt in the lower parts of the valley, particularly on the river terraces and alluvial fans, are fertile. Now this was all about the different types of soils. Knowing about the soil, if there is any question about the types of soil, you must be writing their qualities, where it is formed, what we can grow, and all the features. Then these questions will be complete. Student, the map is also available in which we have to mark the different areas of where the soil is available. This map on page 9 talk about different soil like forest, mountains, alluvial, red and yellow, black, laterite, arid, and the areas also marked. You should also, this is very important map, you should mark the states, then mark the type of soil, and this should be pasted in your notebook. This is very important map, the major soil types or major states having the soils. Talking about the last topic of this chapter, that is soil erosion and soil conservation. Soil erosion is the removal of the top fertile soil due to the various reasons like wind, glacier and water is called soil erosion. Means the natural way of soil erosion is wind, glacier and water, which lead to soil erosion. Means erosion of land. When water or rainfall is there, soil is eroded. And it also is caused due to the human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, construction, mining, etc. It contributes to the soil erosion. If soil is eroded, then you cannot do agriculture or other part of activities. So how can you conserve the soil? The measures to control soil erosion is strip cropping, planting of shelter beds in the hilly areas using contour plowing and terrace farming. Means if you grow any vegetable in the mountain area, they are having slope. If there will be rainfall, the soil will erode downside. If there will be terrace farming, then the soil erosion will be protected. Means students, as we have already read that it takes million of years to make soil, and the soil erosion is also there. It's a natural process which is made by the nature. Means there is a balance, there is, the soil is being made, there is soil erosion also, there is a balance being made. But this, why we are facing this problem? We are facing this problem because this balance is disturbed by the human being. They have increased the pace of soil erosion. Making of soil is at the same pace, but they have increased the use of soil, and the pace of soil erosion, it has been increased due to the human activities like deforestation, overgrazing and all. So this balance is being disturbed. So we should follow the measures or these controls to protect the soil erosion. As you can see the situation now during this lockdown, everyone is sitting in the inside their houses. There is no factories working, there is no cars on the road, so you can see the clean environment, the atmosphere is so clean. Now our Ludhiana city is the cleanest city of the India state. Means firstly we were the most polluted city of the India, now we are the cleanest city of the India. That is because all the factories and everything is in shutdown. So we should follow the protective measures to protect our mother earth nature. Also a situation of village of Sukhmajri and a district of Jhabua, which they have shown that land degradation reserve it is also possible. Their tree density have been increased. They have regeneration of the environment leads to, they tell that what it will lead to economically well-being as a result of greater resource availability, improved agriculture, animal care, and consequently increases incomes. Obviously, income will be increased. Average annual household income in Sukhmajri range from 10,000 50,000 between 1979 and 1984. Means that there have been changes in the income also. People's management is essential for ecological restoration. Means if the people will management, then ecological balance or restoration will be there. With people being made the decision makers by Madhya Pradesh government, 2.9 million hectares or about 1% of India's land area are being greened across the state through watershed management. It's the government, not only the government can do anything. We people should follow the step. We should plant trees, we should protect the environment so that it's available to us now also, and it is available for our future generation also. So student, this was all about the first chapter of geography. But in this there will be no PDF of this question. The questions you will make, the videos you will make of explaining the topics of the chapter. So students, take care, study well. If there will be any problem, you are free to contact your teacher. Thank you so very much.